Hello guys, from Maestro Vito Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this UUNI oven. Like you know, I reviewed this oven already with the gas option, but today I'm going to review it with wood. Just pure wood. I'm gonna show you how this UUNI Pro oven will cook my pizzas. First thing, what I suggest to you to buy this amazing fire start. This is perfect to fire up the oven. So what I suggest to you is to make the pallet all across, make the wood all across like this, but set up one on the bottom. We set up the fire start right in the center, right there. Now, this one gets two little screws, so it unscrews a little bit, you lift it up, and voila! The gas option is gone. Then we're going to put this inside, just like this. And we set it up like nicely and perfect inside. Then we put the cup on top, just like that. Voila! It's burning the wood, it's warming up the oven, and then you open up the cup at the top. Like this. So make sure. Okay guys, now we set up the oven, we set up the wood, we let it burn a lot, so when it finish, put more wood. So I left the cup open, this way the oven, the flame can breathe, because if you close, the flame goes off. So I'm very excited to put my pizza inside here and taste it with, and review it with wood. So we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, we are about to put the pizza inside the oven, but before I'm gonna see after 30 minutes the temperature on the wow, it's 450 Celsius guys. Let's go in Fahrenheit. Wow, 822. I don't know if they can see there. They can see? It's a little bit stuck. It's fast. I don't need the door because it's crazy. Vai vicino, vai. Sì, sta là. Ciao, grazie ragazzi. Check the bottom, look at this guys, perfect pizza! It's fast! Vai dall'alto, vieni. Done! Done guys, he's ready! Okay guys, man, this is an amazing cooked. This oven is amazing guys. So this outdoor UUNI Pro with still burning the wood. And nothing, so the pizza, like you can see, they cook like exactly on the regular oven, the big one. So let's go see the bottom, look at this. They cook the bottom of the pizza, amazing. You get the crunchy, the same. Crust is amazing guys. I hope you like this video, and this is the review of UUNI Pro, and enjoy the pizza napoletana in the smallest wood oven. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe and see you at the next review. Every week, 2 videos.